It was at this moment he knew. He f***ed up.
With your girl, you know what I'm saying?
Talk to your girl. Hey, talk to your girl. That's good. What's this?
Oh my God.
I just know Rufus boy, let me love him. Caught up in my tape.
What is up, my Chaz K.B viewers?
Y'all was so excited to say that. I was.
Introducing my best friend, Tony.
Hi, y'all.
2 out of 3. We have another best friend, but she's currently at school, so.
At our homecoming.
We
I was
miss
supposed
you,
to be
girl.
there. My best friend just reached 1K on YouTube.
1K!
I came all the way down here.
Yeah, she came to help me celebrate. But
y'all know what it is.
I just wanted to take a time to say thank you guys. You guys are truly amazing and very supportive. I couldn't have done this without you. Like, it's so cliche to say, but I remember when I was begging my best friend, comment on my video, like on my video, please. And now she comes, she like, dang, you already got 20 comments. Dang, you already got 50 comments.
Exactly.
Like,
I'll be like, woo, best friend, you up there.
I hope you guys enjoy the video that we're bringing to you, because if you haven't seen, which I'm pretty sure you have, we're going to be doing the Americans try a Snackbox type of thing with it. And this is actually Turkish sweets. So I'm really excited. To see what the sweets are like in Turkey. But make sure to stay tuned to the end of the video to see the 2 people who get shouted out. If you want to get shouted out on my video, all you have to do is comment something that you liked about this video, something you would like to see me do in another video, and just leave, you know, like your YouTube name but anything that you want me to shout out. It does not matter. So,
and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm just kidding.
I'm
about to make one really
She's bringing
soon.
one. She's bringing
it's
one.
It's gonna be military and lifestyle. So if you like them type of things, get into it.
Stay tuned. Give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to comment something in the comment box that you like, especially if you want to be the 2 people that gets a shout out on my next video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for future content like this. So without further ado, let's just get straight into the video, my Chaz K.B viewers. Okay, you guys, so we got so much stuff to try. Right here basically has like everything that we're going to be trying. Like, they actually don't look bad. Do they look bad to your best friend? Like, some of them look decent. Like,
they got like a lot of like, it's like a lot of chocolate. I like chocolate, but it has like caramel. I don't like caramel.
I like caramel. I don't like coconut. And
I don't like coconut.
So I already know this is going to be we're going to be trying. What is
it's like, it says.
It looks like
it's like a waffle cone.
Yeah. It's the Kajit Helva.
It was invented in the 1400s.
Oh, is it still good?
I mean,
so we're gonna be trying this first, you guys. The Kajit Helva. Look at this. This is
what?
This looks dirty. I mean, dusty.
Hey, dude, I said it's like a waffle. Like, you know, like them ice cream cones.
Yeah.
It's like it's made up the same material of an ice cream cone.
Yeah, this piece. I guess I took a small piece because I don't think I'm gonna like it. It looks like just like a waffle cone. Like, you ready?
No, it tastes exactly like it.
It has no taste.
I like it though. I like Brady type stuff. I'll give it 9.5 because it's kind of sweet too.
3, not even a 6. Bidula.
It's like a fake Kit Kat.
Yeah,
not a Kit Kat, a Nutty Bar.
Whoa, that is good.
I'm gonna mess with it.
Give that a 10 out of 10. Jeff, this is basically like a
9.5.
Let's try crispy. Next, I've seen these before. I like the store and stuff like that.
That's like it's gonna be nasty.
Yeah.
I don't like it.
And nasty? I like it.
I'm new.
You don't like it? Is it that bad? Really?
I really don't like garlic taste.
Oh my god. I give it a 7 out of 10.
0. I'm trying to see if it's on the paper.
Cheers. Boom.
Not like this.
I don't like this.
This is 10. I like it.
I don't know.
What's this? Crackers?
Ew. Is the Harvey. Let's see if it's good, girl.
Ooh. Is that caramel?
That's good. Good. I thought it was gonna be like, but no.
This a 10. This a 10.
It's good, yeah. This one got
coconut. Though. That's what I'm saying. I was just seeing it. I don't know how I feel about this.
Dan Keck.
It's like a yeah. Oh, I taste the coconut. I don't like coconut
at all. Bro, I hate coconut. Anybody that knows me knows I hate coconut.
I don't like it. I don't like coconut, banana. Well, actually, y'all, fun fact, I'm a picky eater.
Try this, because that was
If it don't got bread or cheese in it, I don't want. Ooh, cheese.
crispy. It got garlic though. You know, I think it's gonna taste like them Lay's. I like them.
It's a hell no.
It tastes like Lay's. This look good. This look good. I think I'm gonna like this. Oh yeah, and it's soft. Oh, look at it, best friend.
Okay, brick piece.
Oh,
Fancy though. Like them strawberry shortcake. That little piece right there. It's like strawberry.
Oh, that was like
I get at a what I said 7.
I get at a 7 too.
Or maybe-
Try these, and I think these are what, like sour balls, basically.
I feel like they're gonna be so good. I hope
Let's
it's
try
chewy.
it. Let's try it.
It's chewy. It's like gum.
It's good.
Yes, I like it. I like sour stuff.
I'll come back for the gum though. Ditto.
Ditto.
Ditto trio. Oh, that means like it's probably gonna
It looked like a Kit Kat though.
like a 3-layer.
Yeah, it is 3.
Friend Yana joining.
AKA Mrs. Steal Man, AKA
Is back.
your daddy's favorite girl.
Period. 3.
Oh, y'all beat it. I'll put those in my mouth. It's
Oh, it's actually good.
good. It's good.
I'll give it a 9. I thought it was gonna be nasty, but I'll give it a 9.
La Diva. Only like when it's just dark chocolate. I don't like,
I like it
all
on
that.
wheat, but not
Not
that.
I like what she talking about, but I don't like dark chocolate.
Yeah, I don't like.
Put your girl, you know what I'm
Talk to
saying?
your girl. Hey, talk to your girl. Hey, talk to your girl. All right, go ahead. Get your piece. Get right. Get it tight.
It don't look dark.
It don't look like no.
Ooh, it's hard.
It do got.
Not about.
Let me try it. Let me take a real bite.
You have the crunch to it.
It tastes like Nutella. A little bit.
They do.
It do.
It tastes like
And like
off-brand Nutella.
and like a
With
cookie
the
part.
sticks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I hate those.
All right, so we're trying this next, and it looks disgusting. So.
Like a moon, it's like a fake moon pie.
Yeah. It's
All right.
This is called Halle. We got a Halle Berry over here.
period.
It's
Ew.
not bad.
I ain't like it at all. Miss Alpala,
Alpella.
take it to the front so they can see it.
All right. I was already
No. 1, 2. Okay, I'm late.
I like this.
Yes, I have.
This tastes like the little wafers. The vanilla wafers that you get.
Yep.
You know what I'm talking about?
They're just the wafers with the little cream in the
Yeah,
middle.
it's like this little part right here.
Ryan, Caramello. Yeah. Yeah.
Pizza cracker.
Pizza crackers.
I know
Pizza,
I'm, I'm probably not gonna like this. 1,
2, 3.
She remember me.
Not a fan.
Those not that bad.
I don't like them.
Bitch, where the fuck my phone went?
I think it's like the Pop Rocks candy.
Probably is.
Popping pasito.
Hey.
Oh. I fuck with it.
It's not bad. It's like a
Regular Pop Rock.
yeah. I'll give it.
It's not as poppy as Pop Rock though.
Yeah, they ain't got none on ours.
Yeah, cause Pop Rock touch your mouth after.
Yeah. After that thing be popping so bad, you gotta just stick it.
Yeah.
Biscolata.
She can do this.
Biscolata.
Biscolata.
Yeah. Biscolata.
Biscolata.
Biscolata. Biscolata. Biscolata. Biscolata. Biscolata.
That just like a
For real.
advertisement.
Biscolata. Biscolata.
We should make a commercial for them.
Oh heck no. Oh no.
Yeah, I just got a piece of the coconut.
That like got coconut in it.
You like it?
Yeah.
You like coconut?
Yeah.
Oh.
No, I don't want this. Me.
So overall, how did you guys enjoy the video?
I
give
can't go
it
to
a-
Turkey.
I give it like a 9, 8.
I think turkey.
Ain't for me.
I think the snacks that we provided, because we don't even know if these are like well-known snacks in Turkey for all we know.
Might be right.
Because when you be watching the other videos, they don't be having really like well-known snacks in America. Some of them be getting the snacks that we don't even be knowing about.
Well, let's
so.
go try
Oh,
over there
really?
and see.
But so far, if these are like the popular snacks, I think I'll be okay. I'll give it a 7.
I need to try a Germany one.
Turkey snacks are like a 7 for me. What about you?
I'll give it a 5.
You?
Hey, I think I'll do just fine.
She'll do just fine.
Personally.
So the 2 people that I would like to shout out today is going to be my good sis, Life with Darty. You are so amazing. Such a great support system. You've been there for me in times when I really needed you, and you know exactly what I'm talking about, girl. And period. So I'm going to leave a picture. Y'all already know the deal. Go follow her. Go check her out. She's amazing. Amazing. Period. And that's that on that.
And that's just that.
The second person I also want to shout out is Strength Finders Lifestyle. When I tell you, bro, you are life. Whether it's advice, whether it's you looping with me, whether it's you always making sure I'm you know, on track. You are such a great person, such a great support system. I love you for that. And you strong. So thank you so much, bro. You are the best. Make sure y'all go check out his content. He has pretty much anything that you want. So make sure to check him out. But I'm going to end this video. So make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you like this type of content. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for future content like this. And I will see you later in my next video, my Chaz K.B. viewers.